Subscribe Dr. Sadiq Mathematics channel for getting more online videos.
Evaluate integral 0 to pi by 2, integral 0 to a sin theta, integral 0 to a square minus r square upon a r dz dr d theta. How to evaluate polar form of triple integration? Today we discuss problems on triple integrals. What friends? Problems on triple integrals. Let us say problem. Evaluate integral 0 to pi by 2, integral 0 to a sin theta, integral 0 to a square minus r square upon a r dz dr d theta. Okay, let us see the solution, friends. This one is very important because it is previous year question, friends. So solution, if you observe the order, you can order observe. So here r square ఉంది, so you can integrate with respect to z, and then theta ఉందండి, so with respect to r, and then constants ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి with respect to theta. So order is correct గానే ఉంది. So there is a proper order. So write and given integral 0 to pi by 2, integral 0 to a sin theta, integral 0 to a square minus r square by a r dz dr d theta. So that is equal to integral 0 to pi by 2, integral 0 to a sin theta. Okay, with respect to z, r is constant, so r into z between limits 0 to a square minus r square by a into dr d theta. So that is equal to integral 0 to pi by 2, integral 0 to a sin theta r into substitute upper limit, we get a square minus r square by a. Okay, substitute lower limit, the value is 0, so into dr d theta, that is equal to integral 0 to pi by 2, 0 to pi by 2. So here we have 1 by a, so 1 by a is constant, so right outside of the integration. So a square into integral of r dr, r square by 2 minus r into r square, r cube, integral of r cube into dr means r power 4 by 4 between limits 0 to a sin theta into d theta. So that is equal to 1 by a integral 0 to pi by 2, a square by 2 r square, a square sin theta, a square by 2 a square sin square theta, a square sin square theta. Okay, minus 1 by 4 a power 4 minus 1 by 4 a power 4 sin power 4 theta into d theta Okay, right, that is equal to I can take in common here, friends, a square into a square, a power 4. So I can take in common a power 4 by 2, a power 4 by 2. Already we have into 2. So a power 4 3 times. So integral 0 to pi by 2, we get here sin square theta. Okay, sin square theta minus 1 by 2 sin power 4 theta d theta. Now we have one formula, friends. What is formula? Integral 0 to pi by 2, okay, sin power n theta d theta, that is equal to n minus 1, n minus 2, n minus 3 and so on 1 by 2 pi by 2. 1 by 2 pi by 2 friends. Okay, 1 by 2 pi by 2. So here we get here a cube by 2, a cube by 2, here 2. So we get here 2 1. So 2 1 into pi by 2 minus 1 by 2 into, we have 4 here friends. So you write 4 in the denominator, 3 2 1 into pi by 2 into pi by 2. That is equal to, taking common pi by 4, take pi by 4. So pi a cube, okay, pi a cube 4 into 2 8. Then we get here 1 minus pi by 4. So we get here 3 by 8, 3 by 8. That is equal to, LCM is 8 here. So 8 minus 3 5. So 5 pi a cube by 8 8s are 64. 8 8s are 64. This is the given value this is the value of given problem friends, given problem. Once again, this is polar form friends. This problem is very very important because 2017 and 18 problem friends. So do it carefully. So here I observe the limits first. R sin theta and pi by 2. So R means we can write dz. Okay, sin theta means dr, and there is condition, so with respect to theta. Okay, and then I integrate with respect to z. With respect to z, R is constant, so we get here z. Substitute upper and lower limit here. Then we get multiply it, and then we integrate with respect to R, and again substitute upper limit and lower limit. Okay, then we get a function in terms of theta. Okay, now we have a formula, integral 0 to pi by 2 sin power n theta d theta. When n is even here, what friends, when n is even, formula is n minus 1, n minus 2, n minus 3 and so on, 2 1 pi by 2 into pi by 2. In this way I remember friends. Okay, so we have 2 here, so 2 1, 2 minus 1 1, okay, into pi by 2 minus 1 by 2, we have 1 by 2 here, so 4, so I write 4 3 2 1 into pi by 2, pi by 2. I simplify it, finally get 5 pi a cube by 64. This is the value of given problem. If you have any doubt in the problem, please comment in the comment box. Hope you understand. Thank you for watching this video. Jai Hind.